This literature kit on The View from Saturday by E.L. Konigsberg is perfect for monitoring comprehension and discussing vocabulary. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Students express what they already know about turtles prior to the reading. Explain what Ethan lost and gained at Julian's tea party. Complete a paragraph from the story with the missing words. Find synonyms to difficult words used in the book. Make a prediction of what will happen to the characters at the conclusion of the novel. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as conducting an interview with one of the members of the Souls for the Evening News. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Complete a story map using details about the setting, characters, problem, plot, and resolution. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.